need a small, neat, simple border to crochet, or also for knitted projects, that doesn't increase the size of your item much, the reverse single crochet stitch is an ideal choice. Here I have 3 items that I've used it on. This here, and here in a different color so it shows better. And this here shows that it can also go around any kind of crochet, also on the side of a project. So let's see how we do this. But before we do, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do that. You can also click on the little bell sign next to the subscribe button. That way you get a notification each time I publish a new video. The reverse single crochet border can be made on anything, but it's easiest to make on something straight and solid. I'm using a different color, so it's easier to see what I'm doing. It's called reverse, so you actually do reverse, you go backwards. So I'm taking a yarn over and making a stitch using the new color. And then I start crocheting single crochets, but not going this way as normal, but that way. I'm making a single crochet to the stitch to the right from where I am. And the only thing I need to remember that when I'm taking the second yarn over, I sort of need to go towards the right of the original stitch. Again, hook into the next stitch to the right, yarn over and bring the yarn through, and then yarn over just like in a single crochet, but only leaving that there stitch to the right of it. Again, next stitch. There are two stitches here, just that when you need to pull them towards the right a bit, they go very close together. And then yarn over and through them again. And that's all there is. Into the stitch. And you keep going like this here. As you can see, it's forming a very even edging. I'll make a couple more. After you get used to it, it's very quick. And so on like this. And then we look at another one. When you are making the edging on something that isn't straight and that has different kinds of stitches, it can be easier if you first make a row of ordinary single crochets. So I'll finish this row now before going into my reverse stitches. And it's better that you don't put the stitches too close together. That way the edging will be more even. So I'll finish this row off now with these single crochets until there. Here I am at the end of the row, and then chain 1 and then start going into all the stitches. Reverse single crochets. There's the first one, and then just straight away to the next one. And again pushing it slightly to the right, and then again, just every stitch the same. Like that. And that's how you continue, and this is something you can use on basically anything that you crochet. Thank you for watching, and there's also a link to these 2 nice crochet hooks in the video notes. Talk to you again soon.